Have you ever pondered the nature of our reality? How about the mystery of consciousness? These are not just philosophical musings, but critical questions that shape our understanding of existence. In our quest to comprehend, we often rely on the conventional model of reality. This model is deterministic and predictable, painting a picture of the universe as a vast, intricate machine. The gears turn, the parts move, all according to the unyielding laws of cause and effect. But this model, while comforting in its certainty, leaves little room for the wild, untamed essence of consciousness. Contrast this with the quantum model of reality. Here, reality is not a fixed, immovable fixture, but a shifting, shimmering mirage of possibilities. It's a world where the future is not set in stone, but a spectrum of probabilities. And where does consciousness fit into this quantum realm? It's no longer a passive observer, merely watching the gears turn. Instead, it's an active participant, a shaper of reality. Imagine the universe not as a machine, but as a vast ocean of possibilities. Every ripple, every wave is a potential reality. And your consciousness, like a pebble tossed into the water, can create ripples that shape and influence this ocean of possibilities. But this quantum model, with its uncertainties and probabilities, can seem intimidating. It's like stepping into a new world, a world that defies our ingrained notions of cause and effect. It's a world that asks us to embrace uncertainty, to revel in the infinite possibilities of the present moment. Yet it's in this very uncertainty, in this very unpredictability, that we find the key to unlocking a deeper understanding of ourselves and the universe. For, as the quantum model suggests, we are not mere spectators in the grand spectacle of existence. We are active participants, shapers of our reality, creators of our destiny. What if we told you that by embracing the quantum model, you could unlock a whole new perspective of understanding yourself and the universe? Quantum physics sounds complicated, doesn't it? But don't worry, we'll break it down for you. Let's begin with the idea of superposition. Picture a coin spinning in the air. While it's airborne, it's neither heads nor tails. It's both, and it's neither. It's in a state of superposition. In the quantum world, particles can be in multiple states at once, just like our spinning coin. Only when we measure or observe it does the coin choose a state, heads or tails. The particle, too, collapses into one state upon observation. Next, let's talk about entanglement. Imagine you have a pair of gloves. You put one in a box and mail it to a friend across the country. When you later look at your glove, you instantly know the other one your friend has is its pair. Quantum entanglement is similar. Two particles can become entangled so that the state of one instantly affects the other, no matter the distance between them. It's like the universe's instantaneous messaging system. Lastly, the observer effect. Ever feel like you behave differently when someone's watching? That's the observer effect in our daily lives. In quantum physics, it's the idea that just the act of observing or measuring something can change that thing's state. It's like the universe is saying, hey, I know you're watching, so I'm going to act accordingly. So, in essence, the quantum model suggests that all possibilities exist in the present moment. It's like having multiple doors in front of you, and you get to choose which one to open. Each door represents a different potential reality, and your act of choosing and observing is what brings that reality to life. It's as if by choosing a door, you collapse all other possibilities into the one you've chosen. This is a very simplified snapshot of some complex concepts. If you're curious, there's a vast ocean of quantum knowledge out there ready to be explored. But remember, Even the most complex ideas can be broken down into manageable parts. So, in essence, the quantum model suggests that all possibilities exist in the present moment. It's like having multiple doors in front of you, and you get to choose which one to open. Now, you might be wondering, how does meditation fit into all of this? Well, meditation isn't just about calming the mind or finding inner peace. It's a journey that takes us deep within, allowing us to transcend the known associations we have with people and things. As we meditate, we foster a state of coherence between our brain and heart. This state of coherence is like a superhighway, connecting us to the quantum model's potential, where all possibilities exist in the present moment. Think of it this way. Imagine you're in a forest, lost amongst the trees. Each tree represents a thought, an emotion, a memory. They're familiar, comforting, but they're also blocking the view. Now, meditation is like finding a path that leads you out of the forest. As you walk this path, you're no longer entangled with the trees. You start to see the forest from an entirely new perspective, from a vantage point where myriad possibilities lay before you. That's the quantum model for you. But achieving this state isn't as simple as closing your eyes and taking a few deep breaths. It requires practice, patience, and perseverance. It's about learning to quiet the chatter of the mind, to let go of preconceived notions and judgments. It's about opening yourself up to the present moment, to the infinite potentialities that exist right here, right now. Through meditation, we can access these potentialities. We can tap into the quantum realm, a realm that exists beyond our physical reality. It's a place where time and space are fluid, where we can manifest our deepest desires, and where we can truly become the architects of our own reality. So, when you meditate, you're not just sitting in silence. You're embarking on a transformative journey, a journey that can lead you to the quantum realm, to a place of endless possibilities. You're fostering a state of coherence, aligning your heart and mind, and tapping into the vast potentialities that exist within the present moment. So meditation isn't just about relaxation. It's a powerful tool that can help you tap into the vast potentialities of the quantum realm. But how do we apply these concepts in our daily lives? Well, the journey starts with practical applications, like walking meditations, which serve as a bridge between the conscious and subconscious mind. Imagine a peaceful walk in nature, where each step brings you closer to a state of consciousness beyond the ordinary. Your surroundings begin to lose their familiarity as your awareness deepens, opening the door to a realm where all possibilities exist. This is not a journey of distance, but rather a journey within. Mind movies can also be a powerful tool, allowing you to visualize your desired reality. They serve as a cinematic blueprint for your subconscious, helping to rewrite old, limiting beliefs. Picture a movie where you are the lead actor, scripting your own reality. Each scene is a manifestation of your deepest desires, a quantum possibility waiting to be realized. But embracing the quantum model is not just about practices, it's about challenging unconscious programs that hold us back. We all carry unconscious beliefs and reactions, like old luggage, weighing us down. These are the habitual responses that have been etched into our biology over time. By recognizing these patterns, we can start to unpack this baggage, choosing new responses that better serve our journey. Overcoming these unconscious programs requires energy and awareness. It's like trying to change the course of a river. It takes effort, but the rewards are immense. Imagine living a life free from unconscious limitations, where you are the master of your reality, consciously choosing your responses to life's challenges. This shift in consciousness is not a solitary endeavor. As we embody higher consciousness, we become beacons of change, inspiring others around us. Our individual transformation has a ripple effect, fostering a collective shift towards cooperation, care, and a new level of interconnectedness. It takes energy and awareness, but by embracing the quantum model, you can rewrite your biology and transform your reality. So, what are the potential benefits of embracing the quantum model? Well, the benefits are manifold, and they touch every aspect of our lives. The first and most significant benefit is fostering a more peaceful and creative approach to life's challenges. Imagine living in a state where stress and anxiety are not your primary responses to adversity. Instead, you're calm, composed, and above all, creative in your problem solving. This is what the quantum model can offer. By transcending habitual reactions and choosing new responses, we can create a reality that is not governed by stress or fear, but by peace and creativity. The second benefit is the potential for personal evolution. By overcoming unconscious programs and rewriting our biology through practices like meditation and mindfulness, we can evolve beyond our current selves. We can outgrow the limitations we have unknowingly set for ourselves and reach new heights of personal growth and self-understanding. This isn't just about becoming a better version of ourselves. It's about becoming a new, evolved self, unbounded by the constraints of our past. The third benefit is the possibility of inspiring a collective shift in consciousness. As we embody higher consciousness, we serve as examples, inspiring others to do the same. Imagine a world where everyone is working towards a higher state of being, where competition is replaced by cooperation, where victimization gives way to empowerment. This is the promise of the quantum model. It's not just about personal transformation, it's about collective evolution. And finally, the quantum model allows us to become architects of our reality. By fostering a new level of interconnectedness, we can shape our reality in ways we've never imagined. We can create a world that reflects our highest values and aspirations, a world that is a true manifestation of our collective consciousness. By embracing the quantum model, we can become architects of our reality, fostering a new level of interconnectedness and potentially ushering in a new collective consciousness.